Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 25th of April 2023. We did a first move, a man spin, a side to side let go and a short comb, so it's a little bit unusual. It's two of the variations in there, which doesn't happen very often. If you do need teaching information, there are links to the teaching clips for each of the moves in the description below, and we'll show you how everything went together now. So I think you're going to get our best side this way around. It goes 7 and 8. First move, back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the man spin. We went through, catching left, return for the side to side let go, in and out, let go, catch right for the short comb, over the head and out, back in the left hand, ready to go back into the first move. Hope you find that useful and good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and it does help promote what we do, so thank you very much to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.